And I've been talking all this week about how the world, the majority of the world, is functioning on the frequency of the lower D's. And I went into some detail about those lower D's, and I explained that they represent being distracted, because of the things of the world and being disconnected. I wonder how all this AI and technology are involved. We've become desensitized, delusional, as the scriptures say. Many people are depressed. They have been dumbed down. Many are even on demon time. And man, so many people are in denial of what is currently in front of them. They are deceived, causing them to become disgruntled. Many are deceitful. They are dishonest, and therefore they have become double-minded. And in the book of James, it says that a double-minded man is unstable in all his ways. Brothers and sisters, thank you for joining me for this powerful lesson. This is going to be good.